Can I just get a chocolate glazed donut?
Chocolate glazed?
Yeah.
No, not a problem. Is that all for you?
Yep, that's it.
All right, I'll have it for you at the window.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I couldn't. Oh my. What's up, guys? So, today is my first leg day since I kind of sort of had an injury. My knees since my contest have been bothering me. I have no idea why. And just like a couple weeks ago when I went to go do some resistant bands and some strength training, my right knee actually like popped. And it didn't like hurt, but it popped and I was like, oh crap. I went to the doctor yesterday and I was super nervous because I was being told by multiple people that I probably tore something. Actually, I found out that I actually bruised both my knees, and it was because of how low I went on my squats. You know, I just have to take it really easy on squats, on basically anything that involves my knees, especially cardio, which I'm okay with. But, you know, it kind of stinks that I'm, you know, only able to do so much. But today is my first leg day since, you know, that injury had happened, and I'm really pumped. But you know it's a good day when you put ice in your pre-workout. I don't know what it is about it, but it just gets me pumped. Anything with ice in it gets me pumped up. I am going to show you guys my new car because I got a Lucerne, Buick Lucerne, and it is way better than my Malibu. Ooh, whose is that? Look at how nice it is. So, I will show you guys the macros on these. So this is the Snickerdoodle. These are my only favorite ones. I do not like any of the other ones. I just like these ones. If you warm them up and you put vanilla ice cream on them, holy crap, guys. Don't even get me started. Now I'm craving it. But that is my favorite thing to do, especially when it's that time of the month and I'm craving chocolate. I will go get a box of these and I will smash like 2 of them with the, what is it, Arctic Zero ice cream. The Arctic Zero ice cream has like no fat in it. It has like 11 carbs per serving and like 5 protein. But it's way better than regular ice cream. Okay, so here are the macros for that. On another note, look how nice my car is. This is way better than my crappy Malibu, literally. It's all leather. I mean, that's like a plus, but it's also kind of a disadvantage because when it's really hot, I get in. I burn my butt. Okay, guys. Today is a brand new day. I am ready, 100% ready to start focusing on my legs since I'm able to now. And I am preparing myself for that January prep because I'm ready to kill it. I am 100% in deep. And that's it. So
can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed. Now I know it's over. I see you passing by, hand in hand, with your perfect light. My body, a ghost town, feels like someone cut out my tongue. I didn't know a heart could die this young. Oh, now when I look in your eyes, I feel paralyzed.
The goal today is to not get a donut. That's the goal. Oh my gosh. Hi, can I get medium sugar-free caramel iced coffee with, can I get almond milk with that?
Okay, so you want a medium iced coffee with a caramel shot and almond milk?
Yep, and can that caramel shot be sugar-free, please?
Yeah.
Can I just get a chocolate glazed donut?
Chocolate glazed?
Yeah.
No, not a problem. Is that all for you?
Yep, that's it.
All right, I'll have it for you at the window.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I couldn't. Oh my god. Sucks. Did not achieve my goal for the day, but it was leg day, so